Here's a real talk for you. For years, I thought chaos meant I was alive. That overthinking meant I was caring enough. I was wrong. I spent my 20 seconds keeping everyone around me happy, chasing the feeling of being enough, lying awake at night, wondering where I went wrong, smiling at family gatherings, even though inside I wanted to scream, scrolling my phone in the dark, wishing someone would hold me. I kept breaking myself to keep everyone else whole. I said I'm fine when I was drowning inside. But here's what I learned. I don't need to earn peace. I don't need to break to deserve it. This is me walking through a misty forest at sunrise, not giving into the fear of missing out, not proving myself to anyone, just being. When we make space for ourselves, when we choose quiet, when we say no to the things that don't serve us, when we start setting boundaries, that's when the magic happens. That's when we can finally start to heal. I learned this the hard way, through many breakdowns. But you don't have to. I'll tell you this again. When we make space for ourselves, when we choose quiet, when we say no to the things that don't serve us, when we start setting boundaries, that's when the magic happens. That's when we can finally start to heal. I started choosing quiet. I let go of the pressure. I made space for myself. And slowly, I returned home to me, the real me. I don't owe anyone my breakdown to feel worthy. I deserve peace now, just as I am. Do you feel that too? If you do, if you're ready to start choosing quiet, to make space for yourself, to start healing, then please subscribe to Inspiring AI Stories. We'll keep you updated on our journey and send you more stories like this one. Let's breathe again together.